Morning. Back again with another video. Yeah, this is part 6 now. Um, Yesterday I went to pick up a black. Everything going good now. I went on Facebook. I find what you call it, K24Z3 black. Somebody just post one for 200. I gave for 150. They basically give me the whole engine for like a good deal. So I get a whole engine in the back of my Jeep, yeah. And yeah, everything looked good on the block itself. The block looked cleaner than mine's. So I basically get extra parts that I could resell. So water pump and all feel brand new. So let me show you. So this here is a block here. If you look at everything, timing chain, all of that stuff look brand new. Well, the timing chain guide. So certain stuff I got checked because I noticed he had like some bolts in the bottom that ain't belong there. So I gotta figure out, if the threads or whatever mess up. So yeah, I get everything here. Let me get these stuff out the way. So see, if I look, I basically get a whole engine for 150. You could tell they do some work like timing. Look how much silicone they man to use. So this is the exhaust camshaft, which is what I needed. So I can't really see good. It's a little dark. Let me see if I can get this here. This one will get it. Anyways, the cover ain't no good. But yeah, let me turn on my phone real quick. So I don't know. See, everything look good. This engine look clean too. So I don't know what all these parts that I have here, I could make more than what I spend for it. So yeah, rods, front cover, all of that. I might take one of these covers and powder coat it. I got a little thing going on with the car where I might pour like a greenish yellow color, valve cover, calipers. So we're gonna see how it go. Yeah, so basically that's everything here. So I gotta take it out now and see what going on. So let me go ahead and get out all these stuff. Now I don't see all the parts on take out from the bin. So put on some gloves so I don't dirty my hand. Valve cover. Exhaust. Camshaft. Got a little surface rust, but that could come out. Everything look good. Intake camshaft. Front cover. Extra rockers. Head gasket, which go in trash. This the caps. Timing guide. Look good. This is the head, the extra head. This head that look good, but the reason why this engine fail is because of this. I'll have to show you, but one of the spring them break, so that's why he said we're making like a tapping noise. So everything else look good. This head look more cleaner than the one I have and less damage. So yeah, you get less damage. So I'm gonna show you the head half of mine. I didn't get to show it in the part 5 video, I forget. See? This how the head look. See all of that damage? Let me see if I can focus. Okay. See that? So this is the number 1 piston. Piece that break. It hit all of that, so I'll show you that there when I done get all these parts. So. Alright, let me show you. Turn this around. Okay. This the parts I get from the guy. Basically the head that he gave me is good. It's just if you look right here, not this one. I don't know the valve bend, so good thing I have the head for mine. I could swap out whatever. But yeah, that spring brake right there. So this head look clean. I just need to do a pressure wash, take out the springs, probably use the springs in mine since his own, I don't know what happened, like break, but we're gonna see all the valve seats and stuff and make sure it's good. But yeah, I basically got a whole engine. This camshaft, yeah, good bit of surface rust, but we ain't using that one. Is this the one we want? So I'm gonna take a scotch pad and clean that up right there and see if that come off. So yeah, I'm gonna use that cover. That one look good. Gonna one of these probably might send to my father to powder coat, but yeah, the rackers, I think you have everything. You got kind of little pieces in there, but yeah, we're gonna see how everything look good. This my head right here. See, the aluminum hit beat up on the head a little bit. So yeah, and then I have to somehow get out the black by myself, cause it's just only me. So try spin it around and get kind of tear down a little bit more, but I don't want nothing to spill on my Jeep. So the black look good, so we won't get tear up. All right, Finally get a block disassembled. Got an extra crank. That look good. Bearings look good. All these parts that come off is what I'm gonna reuse because that look newer than what I get. So what I'm gonna do is take out the ones I have in the trunk, put them here in the extra parts bin. So these are I using everything that is good. I think the oil pump good. This extra guides, I take all the good ones, put over there. So camshaft probably could reuse, got clean up. So yeah, all these stuff can be listed for sale. Water pump housing. This water pump still feel good, but I done order a new one, so that'll be a backup for our next build. Black look good. No scuffing. This side just soft rust, so everything gonna be honed, pressure wash, clean up. I done get all the gaskets coming. Oil pan and the bottom crack. You can see it there. So that they're going trash. So yeah, basically using the head and the block and valve spring from the head. I'll make sure the valve ain't bend. So I'm gonna check that out. Get a head soak and clean up. So yeah. Soon, next video. Stay tuned for I think part 7. So they're gonna be assembling the engine. So yeah, even the pistons and all look good. Could have probably cleaned them up and reused them, but I done buy new ones. So rods and pistons good. So everything else, all of this here gonna be used. You could tell they've been using good oil and filter. So mobile one is good oil. So yeah, we're gonna get you clean up and ready to be assembled when all them parts come in. So thank you guys for watching.